we get from you, and in this particular case the whole idea is to save your car from getting banged up or scratched up in everyday driving or parking conditions. So what's the better one to go with, and how do they both work, and how much does all of this cost? King Shukdatta has been finding out.
There are a few better feelings in the world than to walk out with a brand new car from a showroom. After all, you've spent a lot of time and money in order to purchase your dream set of wheels. The real question though is how to keep your car looking good as new even after months and years of usage. And that's why we are at the Detailing Mafia by Express Car Wash to see which protection solution is better, Teflon or Nano.
We're slowly eating the paint of the car. Gradually it keeps going down. So what are we focusing on? On protection of the paint. Not only just a gloss which is coming out. Because this gloss is there, and every time using a polisher, my paint is getting soft day by day. So if that's why we say permanent or one-time solution. Go for a one-time job, story gets finished, and you get a lot of more advantage. You get a water-beating property, you get a hydrophobic effect, you get a strong environmental impact protection even from stone chip marks. Amazing results.
Once the car has been thoroughly washed and wiped, it is time for the compounding process to begin. The technician uses a rotary polisher and then a dual action polisher over the body panel with a cutting compound to get rid of all the swirl marks. Once the compounding process is completed, it is time to apply either a Teflon coating solution or a nano ceramic coating solution. Delving a little deeper into technicalities, Teflon is a fluoropolymer which has a base of synthetic wax. It is made of the same material as your non-stick cookware. The Teflon coating is 0.2 microns thick and forms a protective layer on the painted panels of the car. Ceramic coating, on the other hand, is a clear coat which uses carborundum, one of the hardest materials in existence. When applied, the ceramic coat forms a chemical bond with the layer of paint on the car, forming a clear coating on the surface of the car, which is resistant to chemical etching and is hydrophobic as well.
We have the ceramic coating solution with us, and this is the Teflon coating solution. What we have done is we have divided the bonnet of the car in 3 different parts. The larger part that you see is the untreated segment. Here we'll apply the ceramic coating solution, and here we'll apply the Teflon coating solution. The difference will be there for you to see.
The prices of Teflon coating process usually start from 4,500 rupees and go up to 7,000 rupees depending on the size of the car. On the other hand, the prices of ceramic coating your car starts from 18,000 rupees and can go up to 35,000 rupees depending on the size of your car and the treatment package that you opt for. Getting your car Teflon coated would seem to be a more affordable option, but it will lose its durability in less than 6 months and it will need to be redone again and again. There is no doubt that getting a ceramic coating treatment for your car will be more expensive. But having said that, it is also said to be more durable and offer better protection from scratches, swirl marks, dust, rust and so on. So if you want to keep your car looking good for a longer time, be smart and invest in ceramic coating.